Greetings for the day. Today, we will be discussing the roles and responsibilities of an AML Compliance Officer. An AML expert's oversight is required to implement the AMLCFT framework in the organization effectively. To ensure the company's compliance with AMLCFT regulations and ensure the effectiveness and quality of the AML program, it is a must for an AML compliance officer to understand the AML functions entrusted to him. The key responsibilities of an AML compliance officer are as under. 1. AMLCFT Program Management. 2. AMLCFT Training and Development. 3. MLFT Reporting. A compliance officer manages the entire AML program within the company. This function includes the development of the AMLCFT policies, procedures, and controls adequate to the company's AML risk profile. Effective implementation of these procedures and controls also lies with the AML compliance officer. Once developed the AML framework, the compliance officer shall also periodically review and amend the policies to ensure the relevancy of the AMLCFT framework in preventing financial crimes. An AML compliance officer may not single-handedly be able to execute the AMLCFT policies and procedures. Hence, support from a well-trained team is a must, who understand the AMLCFT regulations and obligatory requirements to mitigate the MLFT risks. Accordingly, the compliance officer shall adequately design the AML training program for the staff. The compliance officer shall oversee the team's training needs so that the team is aware of the company's AMLCFT framework and is well equipped to identify red flags and suspicious activities. A well-trained team will assist the compliance officer's efforts to save the company from being exploited by the money launderers. An AML compliance officer is ultimately responsible for detecting MLFT suspicion and reporting the same with the Financial Intelligence Unit. Because of this role, an AML compliance officer is known as a money laundering reporting officer. Before reporting any suspicious transaction with the UAE FIU, the MLRO shall conduct an internal investigation to be sure about the grounds suggesting the involvement of MLFT risk. MLRO shall be the single point of contact between the company and the GoAML portal, ensuring accurate and timely reporting of various AML-CFT reports, such as SAR, STR, DPMSR, HRC, HRCA, REAR, etc., with the authorities. Apart from this, it is the compliance officer's responsibility to review the implementation of the AML processes in the company and furnish a periodic report to the senior management around the AML-CFT activities, the scope of AML process improvement, updates in AML regulatory requirements and its impact on the company, etc. MLRO shall also be considered an AML documentation officer responsible for ensuring the adequate maintenance of the AML records for the prescribed period. Thus, it is recommended that a person appointed as an AML compliance officer be aware of the AML-CFT regulation and MLFT typologies and has analytical skills to detect the potential MLFT risk. Ensuring AML-CFT regulatory compliance and safeguarding the organization against such financial crimes. Thank you. Stay tuned for more informative videos. For details, visit our website www.amluae.com or contact us at info@amlue.com.